Welcome everyone to a brief introduction into the Business Analyst / QA training program offered by Taurus Education. The objective of this BA training program is to provide you with the best launchpad for a successful business analyst career. Role of a business analyst. A business analyst represents technology to the business users at all levels. The business analyst sort of sits in the middle and interacts both with the business users as well as the technology team. So business analyst understands the business, the processes, the rules and the requirements, then represents IT to the business users at all levels, and a senior business analyst becomes a subject matter expert for the rest of the technology team. So as far as this training is concerned, what is analysis? Analysis means many different things to many different people. What type of information is being analyzed? This is not like a data analyst class or a SQL class. This is more about a functional analyst role, more about workflows, process improvement, procedures, documentation, and information analysis. What does this course cover? This curriculum step by step covers the business analysis concepts and their associated practical techniques as applied in both traditional waterfall and agile based methodologies. The curriculum is totally aligned to Babcock Guide Business Analyst Book of Knowledge, which is from IIBA, International Institute of Business Analysis. And we cover many different techniques from the Babcock Guide, both from waterfall and agile perspective. There are 5 key functions of a business analyst. In the 4-week program, we cover all these techniques in detail. Needs assessment, what happens before a project kicks off, elicit or gathering requirements, analyzing information and modeling. UML modeling is taught in this class using Visio. Then requirements BRD documentation, we do detailed BRD walkthroughs, and production support, subject matter expertise, and operations analysis. Manual QA is also covered, and any topics which are a little bit overlap with project management and Agile Scrum Master techniques, those are also covered. So this is a comprehensive 4-week program. No prior knowledge of technology is needed for this course. No prerequisites are needed, no technology background. We start from basic concepts and then we get into more details. This program is appropriate for fresh graduates, entry-level students, as well as people who have had prior industry experience, or they want to change their domain, or they want to get introduced to a new career path. This is a 100% job-oriented training, and we'll get into the details of that in this introduction. This is a program which introduces you to the entire business analyst career path. So week 4 topics on this slide you can see. The detailed PowerPoint has all the chapters that we cover for all the 4 weeks. Here I want to emphasize that we go over the details of the Babcock Guide knowledge areas, various certification levels. A part of the objective of this course is to prepare you for the ECBA exam from IIBA, which is the entry-level certificate in business analysis. We also go over key concepts related to resume preparation, job search techniques, breaking down the job posting, lots of sample resumes, cover letter, sound bites for recruiters, tips on professional references and thank you letters, hands-on help with resume preparation, compilation of plenty of job portfolio samples, and real-world examples of what exactly projects look like. So we have some sample projects related to finance, telecommunication, retail industry, which we go over in the class. We also have a comprehensive interview preparation guide. So based on the students who have walked in your shoes before, we have field tested quite a few questions and their suggested answers that are typically asked in the interview, the typical format, situational questions, behavioral questions, commonly asked interview questions, and their suggested answers. So this entire document is given to you, as well as we go over some of these common questions in the class. How to conduct research about a company, workforce preparation, readiness assessment, and towards the end, then after the program is complete, you will be going through a one-on-one mock interview so that we can assess your readiness, and then you will be on the field and ready to work with the recruiters for applying for business analyst jobs. So that's in a nutshell a little bit about our program. I look forward to working with you, and hope to see you all soon.